So these are the steps you need to follow to create tax returns on the system. So we're going to select settings and then search for developer and then click on the activate. Go back to the dashboard and then select accounting. Under accounting, you need to go to configuration, go to tax groups. As you can see, you already have the accounts under the tax payable account and also tax receivable account. So you need to select the account. So we're going to click on view, and then from here you can select the account. We already selected the VAT control account, so we're just going to leave it like this. But you need to make sure you have the accounts set up so that you're gonna be able to validate your returns. And then the next step is to go to configuration, return types, and then under tax return under periodicity, you need to select the period monthly, every 2 months, quarterly, and then you need to select the start date, and also you need to enter your deadline. Under the states, you just need to have review, submit, and pay. So with the tax report, these are the reports you can generate, and we are just going to select the tax report ZA, and the country leave it as South Africa, but you can always change it to the country your company is operating in. And then we're going to click on save, and then we're going to go back and then select accounting and then go tax returns. To create a new tax return, you're going to select new and then select the return type and then also enter the date and also click on generate. But we're going to not create a new one but use the one that's already showing. So let's use March for instance. um, so as you can see, you have the date, you have the deadline, you have the stages, and we also have tax report. So you are not going to be able to submit or validate your tax return if anything amongst these stages is missing. As you can see, we're missing company data. You just need to select here and just make sure you have all the information that is supposed to be here: the tax ID, the address, the phone, email, website, and the company ID, and then save. So for this example, I'm just going to click on this and select it as reviewed. As you can see, now you have the validate button. So you can either view first your tax return. Mine is not showing any amounts because no transactions have been captured. Normally you would have your sales and then the VAT on the sales calculated and also the VAT calculated on your purchases showing here. So we're going to go to tax return and then click on validate. As you can see, it created a report for you on the side, and the review stage has been complete. And you can click on submit to move across the stages. And that is how you set up your tax returns. Now it's only show, if you take out the filters, it only shows you the following tax returns to be completed, and the ones you've completed are showing at the bottom. This is the process to follow for your tax returns, to review, validate, and also close off your VAT returns.